How to start an online e-commerce business that actually grows in 2020. Why people are starting online businesses. The most popular course at Stanford isn't a STEM class. It isn't in entrepreneurship, how to start a business, nor coding. It is one in how to design a happy life. The course is co-taught by Dave Evans, the former lead designer of Apple's first mouse and co-founder of Electronic Arts. In those positions, he learned how to design for user experience and remove unnecessary elements. Apple's first mouse, if you remember, had one button rather than the conventional two of the time. The same elements that go into designing for user experience, it turns out, work well for designing your happiest life. In fact, they work well for designing success in general. Selling yourself short isn't an option. It's go big or go home, and it starts right here. The key is knowing your options and yourself. I have true agency over my work, because I know what I stand for and I have tools to fix the things that I encounter in my life, Kanye Macabella told Fast Company about the course he took as a student at Stanford. Today, Macabella is an investment partner at an early-stage venture capital firm. For those looking to start a new e-commerce business venture, those dreaming of turning a side gig into a full-time job and long-term, sustainable business, the key to your success is the same. You must know your options. And you must know yourself. It is hard to be successful as an online store. Competition is fierce and customer expectation even more so. The best defense to these industry realities is a planned defense, and knowing what you are getting yourself into before you ever begin. Who is this guide for? Are you an entrepreneur who plans on starting a brand new e-commerce business in 2020? Are you looking to expand your business to an independent web store from an online marketplace such as Amazon or eBay, or a brick-and-mortar? Are you planning to take your B2B business directly to consumers with a B2C site? If you're still on the fence, we've debunked B2B selling myths and provided a marketing guide here. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to be successful for the long term. You'll find in it countless of success stories from entrepreneurs selling across the web, whose sage advice you'd be wise to take. You'll also get step-by-step instructions for how to start an online business. 1. Determine your product niche. 2. Size up your competition. 3. Nail down your target market. 4. Determine market viability for today, tomorrow and next year. Your business can become your personal legacy, providing jobs for hundreds and changing hearts and minds, one checkout at a time. Big Commerce powers tens of thousands of online stores making billions in online revenue. Most of these stores didn't exist a decade ago, many still not even 5 years ago. It is possible to build a legacy brand beginning right now. It won't be easy. It comes with costs. It will take know-how and strategy. It will take dedicated design from day one. But do it right, and your business will bypass those one-hit wonder brands to become something much more than a dream, a side gig or even a small business. It will become your personal legacy, providing jobs for hundreds and changing hearts and minds, one checkout at a time. Buckle up. You're about to go on a deep planning dive to prepare your business for long-term success. Selling yourself short isn't an option. It's go big or go home, and it starts right here, by learning how to start an online e-commerce business, no more procrastinating. Show up every day. Start right now. Be patient, use the tools provided and never give up. Each day I contribute something to make my business better. Literally, every day. New products, SEO meta tags, better pictures, marketing blogs, your business will grow. It has to. Big Commerce offers all the most innovative solutions in a simple way to grow and grow and grow. Still confused? Don't worry, we loyalwebsite.com help you to build your online e-commerce store for free. To get your online store up and running, you'll need to purchase web hosting, which is typically offered by the same companies that provide domain registration. Hosting gives your website a place to live on the internet. It's possible to set up an online store yourself, but unless you're a designer or web developer, you can expect a pretty steep learning curve. If you have the budget, consider hiring a professional to help you with some or all of the following: configuring the site to look the way you want and include the features you need, creating and inserting a logo, optimizing the site for search engines, and creating text and images. For more information, read this guide by founder with a detailed explanation of what it takes to set up online store and develop it. Once you've chosen a name and business structure, filed paperwork with the state and set up your website, you're ready to get going with your online business. Remember that the internet is a busy place and you can't sit back and wait for customers to come to you. Look for ways to actively promote your business through online advertising, social media and old-fashioned word of mouth. Need any help deciding which business structure is right for you? Still confused? Don't worry, we will help you to set up fully finished online store for free. For more detail, contact us on email, contact@loyalwebsite.com. We offer free web design and free domain name. For more detail, check loyalwebsite.com. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.